To replace the hand shell of the speedhand, also known as the system inner hand, start by mounting the hand onto the mounting tool. Loosen the groove from the base plate of the hand. Pull off the hand shell and remove it. Next, take the new hand shell. Apply and evenly distribute the specified grease paste in the groove on the inner diameter. Then, pull on the system inner hand. Ensure that the index finger, middle finger, and thumb are properly positioned. The groove of the hand shell must completely enclose the hand plate all around. Now, secure the hand shell with string. Cut the knot tightly to prevent the thread from sliding out of the groove when putting on the cosmetic glove.